ng hapon.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Maraming nanganganib sa kanilang pananampalataya. Sa kabila ng unos, ang kanilang pananampalataya ay patuloy na nagliliyab ng liwanag at pag-asa. Ngunit siya na tumagal hanggang sa wakas, ito'y magsisiligtas. Matthew 24:13. Repent, turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy-easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Walk on by.
One last time, spend an unforgettable evening. Six-time Grammy winner and legendary music icon, Dionne Warwick, together with her full five-piece live band.
I say a little prayer for
Friday,
you.
January 24 at the New Frontier Theater, performing her greatest hits and favorite songs. Tickets now on sale at ticketnet.com.ph and Ticketnet outlets. Dionne Warwick, One Last Time, presented by Wilbros Live.
Sunphone Plus Gold.
Pala si Tony. Problema ko ang paglaki ng aking prostate. Nang malaman ko ang kaepektibo ng Sunphone Plus Gold, sinubukan ko ito at sa loob lamang ng 2 buwan, lumiit na ang prostate ko at nakakalakad na ako.
Sunphone Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Sunphone Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Mas protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing. Para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Mas protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Sunphone Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na Vitamin C.
Ako po si Jenny Lynn, isa akong banker para maboost ng aking immune system at protektado sa anumang sakit. Santan Vitamin C ang iniinom ko dahil hindi ko ramdam ang pagod sa araw-araw na trabaho.
Sunphone Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na Vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Tuhod, siko, baywang, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng artrisin yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng Artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang Artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. Plus, White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
Southern Plus Coffee Mix.
Ako si Lizette, isa akong diabetic patient, kaya medyo maraming bawal. Isa na dito ang kape, pero hindi ang Southern Plus Coffee Mix. Kakaiba to dahil ito ay may soya, munggay at santol na maganda sa kalusugan.
Southern Plus Coffee Mix. Kape na, gamot pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
DCXL 558. DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.